I get DMs and comments like these every single day. How do I make money with AI? Which AI tool should I learn first? Can I start with zero experience? And the problem is, most people are overcomplicating this. In this video, I'm going to break down how you can make money with AI in 2026. Not just the tool, I'll be telling you how to sell these microservices in real world. And no, you don't need 10 different subscriptions. You don't need to learn code. You definitely don't need to wait months. One tool, real use cases, and real money. The tool that I'm going to show you today replaces ChatGPT, Gemini, Canva, a lot of website builders, podcast tools, and a lot more. It's called Genspark, the next generation all-in-one AI workspace 2.0. And they went from concept to over $200 million ARR. ARR is annual run rate and is a key metric used by many SaaS and subscription-based businesses. It helps companies track growth, forecast revenue, and evaluate financial health. That too in just 10 months, becoming Silicon Valley's first AI agent unicorn. That kind of growth doesn't happen unless the product actually works. I've been using Genspark for a while now, and instead of listing features, I want to show you 4 practical ways you can start making your first $1,000 a month. Not someday, not after a long course, but starting right now, today. But before I show you how to make money using AI, you need to understand what Genspark actually is. This is not just another chatbot. Genspark works through AI agents. Each agent inside Genspark is like hiring a specialist. One agent is for slides, one for websites, one for design, one for data, one for podcast, one for calls. Yes, this can actually make calls for you. We'll get on to it later. They don't just reply to prompts, they help you move projects from idea to finished outputs much faster. Let me give you the big picture. So here you can see all the AI agents inside Genspark. So AI slides agent creates full pitch decks and presentations. AI developer builds websites and apps without code. AI designer handles logos, brand assets, and posters. AI Sheets 2.0 does data collection, formulas, analysis. AI media agents, image, video, audio, music, everything. AI pods turn research or documents into podcasts. Actual podcast. And then there is a call for me feature. It actually makes call for you. Most AI tools help you think. Genspark helps you deliver. And that's why it's perfect for making money. Now, before we jump into money use cases, there's one feature inside this ecosystem that completely changes how you work. It's called Speakly. And this is not basic voice typing. Most voice tools just transcribe. Speakly edits, it removes filler words, it fixes grammar in real time, it formats your text automatically. And the best part, it works across every app on your computer. Email, Notion, Google Docs, Slack, anywhere. When you're building a one-person AI business, speed does matter. If I can respond to 20 emails in just 10 minutes, if I can outline a website proposal while walking, if I can write a full YouTube script without staring at a blank page, that's leverage. Speakly works about 4x faster than typing. Let's see it in action. And right now I'm in my Google Doc app. And rather than typing, I just say it out loud. Hi John, thanks for reaching out. I reviewed your current website and I've already created a modern redesigned draft. Let me know if you'd like me to share it. And just by speaking it very candidly, it gives me clean, formatted, no filler words version of it. And this works across every app in my computer. It's amazing, right? And just like that, it's done. I didn't type that, I just spoke. Now imagine using this while building client websites or pitching brands or creating digital products. That's why this tool isn't just convenience, it's an unfair advantage. Now that you understand the system, let me show you exactly how you can use these agents to get paid. Let's start with the fastest one first. First use case is website development. There are thousands of businesses with either no website or a website that looks like it's from 2012. Now, just like I told you, I'm not gonna tell you how to use the tool, but actually how to make money out of it. So the first step is go to Google, look for businesses near you. For this example, I'll just look for nail salons near me. And then I look at the Google My Business listings and look for websites which are either outdated or have a missing website. Those are the lowest hanging fruit for you. Here, June Nail Salon doesn't have a website, or Nails Nest doesn't have a website, but they're operating 24/7. Other examples could be Art Lash and Beauty Lounge, which doesn't really have a website. So all we have to do is get their details from here, their phone number, where they are operating, what are their working hours. And once we have all of these details, and then we head to Genspark. Now we choose our agent for this use case, which is AI developer, and we select simple website or web app, and we say start building. Now all I have to do is paste the information that I had from that salon, give Genspark a prompt, create an aesthetic looking website for a nail salon based in Calgary, Alberta, and paste this information. And all we do is click generate. Without touching the keyboard, without writing a single line of code, this starts building the website from scratch. It looks for images online, it looks for best practices, it creates each and every page, each and every technical detail that we require to create a fully working website for a business. And while the agent works, you can either have coffee or in my case, I'm having water. Even better, if you are somewhere near an area where you can actually visit that specific business, that is even better. When you're done with the website and everything, you can literally walk in and show them the website. And just like that, the website is ready. And oh my God, the website looks phenomenal. It's aesthetic, it has all the information that I provided. For example, if we go to contact, it took all the information that I gave it, the phone number, the address, the opening timings and everything. And this is the best part. Once you have their phone number, all you have to do is give them a call and say, hey, I created a modern version of your website to show you what's possible. Happy to share it. And once they say share it, all you have to do is go to Genspark again, click the publish button. It'll give you a live URL link which they can test it out. And here's the best part. If they want edits, you can make changes instantly inside Genspark. This alone can be $500 to $1,500 service per client. And you can find hundreds and thousands of these businesses with a missing website or an old website and repeat this process all over again. Now, the second use case I'm going to talk to you about today is podcast. Why podcast? Because podcasts are making real money on YouTube right now. But everyone's biggest problem is, what do you even talk about? Don't worry. For that, just go to Genspark. Ask it to scrape the internet for latest AI or tech news or any other niche that you are interested in or you want to create a channel about. Now take that research. Once the research is done, just copy all the data, go to Genspark, go to AI pods and paste everything that you just got and ask it to create a podcast on the above information and just hit generate. And then you sit back and see the agent get to work. It's actually going into more research to find more information about these topics. You can literally see the agents working in the background. They're pretty cute though. And check this out, guys. Genspark just created the whole podcast and it didn't just write the podcast, it created the script, the conversational flow, and even visuals to go with it. This is perfect if you don't want to show your face. AI news channels are already earning millions, and this just lowers the barrier. Once you're done, you get a complete package to download and use it anywhere you want. Check it out.
Welcome to the AI and Tech News Briefing for February 26th, 2026. I'm Alex.
And I'm Ben. We have a packed show today.
Amazing, right? Now let's jump on to the third use case, product visuals and UGC style content. Brands are constantly needing photos and videos to promote their brand. Electronics, fashion, skincare, everything. All you have to do is use Genspark AI image plus video. Create professional looking product videos. You can create high quality mockups before investing in a full studio setup. Go to the brand's Instagram account, create a sample image or a mini UGC album. DM or email them with the sample and you can pitch an ongoing retainer. Alternatively, list this as a service on Fiverr or Upwork. They are getting paid hundreds of dollars to create branded visuals and content for their Instagram pages. This is how people lock in recurring income. Last but not the least, let's get on to the fourth one. This one is my favorite. Selling digital products on Amazon. You might have seen a lot of coloring books, journals, manifestation planners being sold on Amazon. Let me show you how you can create and sell one yourself. Go to Genspark AI Designer. Ask it to create interior pages for a kid's coloring books age 5 to 12. Set dimensions, design the cover, and it's done. It helps you create structured design drafts quickly, which you can then refine and customize to match your vision. Once it's ready and you're satisfied with the results, upload it to Amazon. This is a long-term play, but it compounds. And that's how you can create digital products using Genspark and become an Amazon seller yourself. And did you notice something important? You're not selling AI, you're selling outcomes. Genspark gives you the kind of output that usually requires multiple tools and specialists, but with far more efficiency. If you want to try this yourself, Genspark gives you 100 free credits every day. And for all of 2026, Pro members get unlimited access to AI chat and AI image. Nano Banana Pro 2, GPT Flux, Seed Dream, Gemini 3.1 Pro, GPT 5.4, Claude Opus 4.6, and many more top models inside these two features are available with unlimited access. And if you want the exact prompts I used, comment Genspark. And if you're building a one-person offer, tell me your niche and I'll tell you what to sell first.